Hey, back with another video. I just about killed myself getting that out. I don't know why I do things the dumbest way possible, but it's up there, I guess. And I was just trying to diagnose whether it's posi track. Well, this one doesn't make anything spin, but this one, when you spin this one, it spins that one in the opposite direction, which means it's an open diff. Oh well, I can always get to that later, but it's an 8.5 inch 10 bolt. Got it for cheap. And then I also snagged the transmission. And I got to go get a block later today for mock-up purposes so that I can see where to, I don't even know, man. I have so many different things in place that I think today I'm just going to clean up this rear, get the rear ready for, to weld the spring perches on, and it's just going to be an all-day process just to do this rear. So I'll keep you posted as I go. And, I'm not going to show you the whole process because who wants to watch that? But you'll see kind of what I'm doing. So let's go. I love you so much. This is real tough.
That's why I came over here and...
Alright, baby. Just watch the mud, alright?
Yes.
Good job. Love you.
Love you.
Here it is. Oh, it's glory. It's still like, it's still wet in certain places, but it's pretty much dry. And you can see it's so black, you can see the rust inside of those holes. Yeah, I mean, video doesn't do it justice. It's like it kind of like swallows up the light, but when you see it in person, it's a lot nicer. This was the bad one, and it's sanded down, and I only showed you guys about 6% of what I actually went through and what I actually did to get this done. I showed you bits and pieces, but I mean, just getting the grease out of every crack and nook and cranny. I mean, this thing has the strangest, you know, like they made these so weird, like the shape is wild, but there's so many areas for grease to build up and stick, and that was quite a process. But and then, you know, you have to wire wheel it, and then you have to wipe it all down with acetone or whatever, or degreaser, and there was a lot of steps that I kind of didn't film because I was just too into it. But finished product, it's like a brand new, you know, rear end. I'm pretty happy with it. You know, for it being a free, I'm trading this for a tattoo, so it's not like, you know, I didn't even have to really. It's basically free, and it's it'll work out perfect for this. So now, what I'm working on right now is trying to get these shackles off. Like I want to figure out how I'm going to mount that spring to that axle. But I figured out, like, I know how I'm going to do it, but this is just what I'm messing with now. But, you know, but yeah, I mean, most people wouldn't want to take the time to do all that.